2 weeks ago, I Googled how to write a TEDx speech. 40 minutes later, I had bookmarked 5 blogs, watched 4 videos, and fallen down the rabbit hole of researching an old TEDx speaker's entire life story. And in this process, convinced myself that writing this speech would take months of research and possibly a PhD. This experience sums up what living in the information age feels like. Today, we're not just surrounded by information, we're drowning in it. Instead of gaining clarity, we're often left feeling overwhelmed and confused. To navigate this, we don't need to learn more. We need to unlearn how we consume and process information. Because sometimes, the more we learn, the less we truly understand. Good evening, everyone. I'm Shreya Dharani, and today I want to talk about unlearning in the age of information overload. How questioning what we absorb, challenging what we assume, and letting go of outdated ways of thinking can help us navigate a world overflowing with information. For years, we've been conditioned to believe that learning more is better, that the more we read, watch, and learn, the smarter we become. But we need to realize that not all knowledge is useful. Some of it is valuable, some of it not so much. I mean, do we really need to know how that fake, exaggerated Reddit story ends? It's interesting, sure. Useful, probably not. We live in a constant fear of missing out, not only on events, but on information. It's why we compulsively scroll through reels, relentlessly check every Instagram story, and obsessively keep up with every trending topic, even when we have mountains of unfinished assignments and looming deadlines waiting for us. Every day, we are bombarded with texts, emails, TikToks, YouTube videos, podcasts, and so much more. Just listing them out send my brain into overdrive. To put this into perspective, the amount of information that is created every 2 days today, in just 48 hours, is roughly equivalent to the amount of information that was created in the entire year of 2002. Our brains are consuming the equivalent of 34 gigabytes of data daily. And frankly, I think my brain came with a much smaller hard drive. This constant exposure to everything isn't just a time waste, it's a distraction. When there's so much noise, how do you figure out what's reliable, useful, or even true? Information overload isn't just a distraction, it's also a stressor. Studies show that it contributes to decision fatigue, loss of focus, and even burnout. Ironically, the access to so many resources, which should have simplified our lives, has done the exact opposite. It's made us feel stressed, overwhelmed, and confused. And here's the kicker. It's not that we lack knowledge, it's that we don't know what to do with it. When you're overwhelmed with so much information, your brain stops filtering what's useful from what's useless. And instead of learning better, we end up learning more, often at the cost of accuracy and critical thinking. Think about it. How do you know what you know? Most of us would respond with, well, I read it somewhere. But where? Was it a reliable source, a trending post, or a convincing Reddit comment? In an age where opinions are often packaged as facts and news headlines are designed to spark outrage, it is alarmingly easy to confuse noise for knowledge. Take, for example, health advice. One study demonizes carbs. Another study says cutting carbs can destroy your metabolism. Or consider general knowledge. Almost half of what we assumed to be true was debunked as myths. No, Einstein didn't fail math. And no, we don't swallow 8 spiders a year in our sleep. We've been told that knowledge is power. But what if too much knowledge actually weakens us by making us misinformed, biased, and overwhelmed? How do we truly learn? First, we need to unlearn 3 key habits. Number 1, unlearn the belief that knowing more always means knowing better. We assume that reading and researching more makes us smarter. But knowing a lot doesn't always mean understanding it well. In fact, to actually process what we're reading, we need to prioritize depth over quantity. Ask, who is saying this? What is their agenda? Is it backed by reliable sources? Just because someone confidently says something on the internet doesn't make it true. Number 2, unlearn the idea that all opinions deserve equal weight. Not all opinions are valid. If 99% of climate scientists agree on something and one sorry person in their basement disagrees, those opinions are not equal. The internet has given everyone a microphone, but expertise still matters. When you're consuming information, you need to learn how to separate informed opinions from noise. And we can do that by being skeptical, not cynical. Question what you read, but don't assume everything is false. A healthy dose of skepticism can help separate fact from fiction. Number 3, unlearn the fear of saying, I don't know. We live in a culture where knowing everything seems impressive. But instead of just blindly accepting everything we hear, we need to normalize saying, I need to check that, or I don't know. Because true learning can only start when we unlearn false confidence. Unlearning in the age of information overload isn't about rejecting knowledge. It's about refining it. We live in a time where we have access to more resources than any generation before us. Yet somehow, the more we know, the more confused we seem to become. We are drowning in information, but starving for truth. Why? Because information overload distracts us. It distorts reality. So to truly learn, we must first unlearn the unnecessary, the misleading, and the outright false. Thank you.